Sunburst Granny Square. Hello and welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I will show you how to crochet a sunburst granny square, and here are our materials needed: tapestry needle, a scissors, and 5mm crochet hook, and 4 kinds or color of yarns. To start, you have to make a slip knot, then chain of up to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the first chain. Then chain 2, 1 and 2. Now that chain 2 will count as your first double crochet, and then yarn over and make 15 more double crochet inside the magic ring. You should have a total of 16 double crochet. Then cut your yarn. So we are going to make our invisible end or join. Use your tapestry needle. Insert the needle into the top of the second double crochet. On top of it, insert it in the 2 loops. And insert the needle into the in between the 2 loops. And grab another loop at the back. And don't tighten it up because that's count as your 16th stitch. Then try to hide the tail of your work. So always count your work after you've done your first row or round. And you should have, like I said, a total of 16 stitches. Now insert your hook in any of the stitches. Grab your second color. Then make a slip knot. And that's how I make my slip knot. It's up to you on how to make your own. Slip stitch in that stitch. Then chain 1 and yarn over, and we're going to make a puff stitch, which is yarn over, pull up the yarn over, and pull up the yarn 3 times. Chain 1. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, you grab the yarn, hold, yarn over, hold, insert the hook and grab the yarn and hold, yarn over, insert, grab and hold, and then you have to pull through all the loops and chain 1. Now continue doing this in every stitches, and you should have a total of 16 puff stitches all the way around. Then slip stitch into the second stitch. That's the first one and that's the second, so slip stitch in there. Chain 1, cut your yarn and change your color yarn again. Now insert your hook in any of the chain 1 space. And make a slip stitch again, or slip knot, Then chain 2. We're now going to make a double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through only 2 loops. You have 2 loops in your hook, grab the yarn, and insert only pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull through only 2 loops. Now you have 4 loops into your hook and 4 double crochet, and then grab the yarn and pull through all the loops and chain 2. The next chain 1 space, yarn over, insert your hook in the chain 1 space, grab, pull up through the 2 loops, yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. Now you have 5 loops into your hook, grab the yarn and pull through all the 5 loops and then chain 2. So again, do the same pattern all the way around and you should have a total of 16 double crochet cluster. Slip stitch into the second stitch, that's the first. Now the second, you have to slip stitch in there and chain 1, cut your yarn. Now we are ready for our last round, which is we're gonna make the corner as well for the square. Grab your last color of yarn, shades or shades of yarn, and again you have to make a slip stitch. Slip knot first or slip stitch is up to you. Then chain 1, yarn over and make 3 half double crochet on that chain 2 space. 2, 3 half double crochet. Now into the next chain 2 space, you're going to put 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain 2 space, you're going to make 3 treble crochet. So yarn over twice and so on. So again, yarn over twice, insert, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and last treble crochet. And then chain 2. After you done your 3 treble crochet, chain 2 and put another 3 treble crochet on that same space, because that's our first corner for the granny square. Now into the next chain 2 space, put 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain 2 space, put 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now into the next chain 2 space, put 3 double crochet as well. 2 and 3, and this is our second corner. So make the same pattern or put the same pattern, which is 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet on that same chain 2 space. And continue doing the same pattern all the way around to form your project into a granny square. Then cut your yarn and use a tapestry needle to sew your invisible join. Try to hide the tail or all the excess yarn behind your work or your project. And you're done. Thank you for watching. This is Ali Crochet once again, and I hope this helped you with your project next time. Bye! See you on my next video tutorial. God bless you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And please share as well. Thank you again.